Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Schmidt, and my presentation is over the grant proposal that I developed for my community partner, LTHC Homeless Services of Tippecanoe County. LTHC Homeless Services, formerly known as Lafayette Transitional Housing Center, is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that serves the population of Tippecanoe County, Indiana, that are experiencing homelessness or those at risk of experiencing homelessness. Founded in 1989, LTHC opened their doors to serve 5 homeless families with 6 months of transitional apartments, which set them apart from traditional day centers from the beginning. Their current mission is to help families, veterans, and individuals find permanent housing while also teaching others how to end homelessness one person at a time. The services you can see here in the introduction range from 3-course meals 7 days a week, to the rapid rehousing services offered to those experiencing chronic homelessness or those in dire need. According to the Tippecanoe County Community Health Needs Assessment, completed in February of 2016, the primary data showed priority needs for the following services. All of these are listed here, and they include homelessness at the very end, if you can see that sentence. Risk factors that lead to homelessness include mental health issues, substance abuse disorder, domestic violence, all types of trauma, involvement in the justice system, divorce, sudden illness or death of a loved one or family member, disabilities, and they continue from there. Residents of Tippecanoe County ranked homelessness one of the major community needs in 2016, along with affordable housing and emergency shelters. The increase of homelessness and the awareness of this issue in the community shows a definite need for public health intervention in regards to homelessness. Here you can see the outcomes that I determined with my community partner resource, Jennifer Layton, who is also the president and CEO of LTHC Homeless Services. They are looking to expand upon the multitude of successful services that they currently provide to the Tippecanoe County area, and Jennifer was very helpful in elaborating on all of those successes. So we proposed that the program focus on expanding on the services that are already offered to these guests at LTHC, specifically the employment services and improving daily living skills regarding maintaining housing to benefit guests and their families and improve their quality of life. The program will include offering on-site training classes to the guests to improve the likelihood of finding and maintaining employment, as well as classes to teach guests cooking, cleaning, self-care, and other daily living skills to benefit individuals and families for the future. It is important to note that these classes will be free to the guests. Because a lot of the classes and the skills that they are being taught can utilize resources that are already provided at LTHC's engagement center, which I have noted in the budget as well. Key partners for the proposed project include Valley Oaks Health and Valley Enterprise, which are 2 very important contributors and partnerships that LTHC already has for their guests. Ivy Tech Community College, Work One West Central, which is a employment services center in Indiana, and Lafayette Adult Resource Academy. Here you can see the timeline, which will begin, should have began this month. And it is proposed to begin, the classes are proposed to begin in February of 2021 and continue in 3-month intervals. The evaluation details are listed below, as well as the budget, which is laid out for there. And the acknowledgments that I have are to thank Jennifer Layton, my community partner resource, as well as Amanda Balser from Tippecanoe County Health Department, who was a huge help with grant writing experience and my expert interview. Thank you so much.